Stop by and take a look at the 2010 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, privacy glass, steel wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.